On
चल
this
एट
computer,
लाइव
hello, hello,
रिकॉर्डिंग।
checking, checking. Okay, okay,
सब लोग बात
okay.
किया,
यही
सब हो
यही
गया।
है कोल्ड ओपन भाई, यही है। वरुण इज बीइंग टॉट हाउ टू रिकॉर्ड ऑन जूम इंस्टेड ऑफ कौतुक।
दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई फ्लोटेड अ
Shit.
Zoom रिकॉर्डिंग, सो आई डोंट नो।
दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम वरुण हैज क्रिएटेड अ जूम मीटिंग।
यूजुअली आई
Dude,
जस्ट
it's
जॉइन
amazing.
मीटिंग।
It's
हाउ डिड
it's
ही
amazing
अवॉइड दिस?
how Thakur had a birthday and then he just became full uncle next day. Like just maxed
नो,
it.
इट्स नॉट अंकिल, मैं कभी किया ही नहीं है। अभी
तो
आ गया ना,
अंकल ने भी
अभी
तो नहीं
देख
किया
क्या
ना.
रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ आज से। तू देख, ऐसा रिकॉर्ड करूंगा ना, मालूम पड़ेगा। एडिट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, सीधा यही पॉडकास्ट होगा। हम लोग रिकॉर्डिंग।
Let's hope he finds this recording.
हाँ भाई, ये
Okay,
किधर सेव होता
बंद कर.
है? ये सेव किधर होता है?
Exactly.
चल
बंद कर
देखते
अभी.
हैं। ओम नमः शिवाय। Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take random scenario, absurd facts, and trivia about the stories and we talk about it. And firstly, welcome back, guys. Sorry, हम लोग थोड़ा एक दो हफ्ता ऊपर नीचे थे क्योंकि मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा था, आदर्श शूट कर रहा था, कौतुक स्ट्रीम कर रहा था और हमको नहीं आना था, तो तो वो
Wow, wow,
वाह।
Thakur.
अरे
Wow.
नहीं नहीं, हम लोग नहीं
डोंट
थे
टेल
यार
देम हाउ
इधर।
द सॉसेज इज मेड।
Oh
नहीं
God.
नहीं, पहले पहले वार दिवस था, फिर अभी जस्ट बर्लिन से आया, फिर मेरे को 3 दिन लगे हॉलीडे से रिकवर होने के लिए। ये क्या हॉलीडे है?
Yes.
ये क्या
Why?
हॉलीडे है?
But तेरा wait, tell me something. Recover from holiday in what sense? Like the
लाइक
holiday was that
फिजिकली,
intense?
फिजिकली, मेंटली, इमोशनली।
Dude, yeah, you have to recover from the fact that you're not on holiday anymore.
That's
Okay,
वो
also
तो है ही।
हाँ, there's that drop in the dopamine where you're excited and now it's just gone. The
ब्रो, मैं
that's
happiness
दो
has
true.
just
डिग्री में था।
disappeared.
मैं दो
That's
डिग्री
true.
में था, मस्त ऐसे लेयर वेयर करके जैकेट पहन के
Layer,
जा
oh,
रहा हूँ,
oh, oh.
रिवर्स साइड हवा आ रही है मस्त पैकी, और इधर तवे पे आके सीधा लेटा दिया मेरे को लास्ट 3 दिन से। ब्रो, नॉन स्टॉप एसी चालू है, ठीक है? इतने पोलर बेर मरने वाले हैं ना, मरते ही जाने वाले, बिकॉज इट्स इम्पॉसिबल। क्या चल
Because
रही है
ठाकुर
भाई?
ठाकुर तो मत जाना बर्लिन बिकॉज जब तू
अबे
वापस
तो
आएगा
यहाँ
वो.
का, यहाँ झाड़ क्यों नहीं डाल सकते लोग? क्यों मैंग्रोव काट रहे हैं? डालो, और डबल डबल लोधा मैंग्रोव्स होना चाहिए, नॉट लोधा बिल्डिंग। लोधा शुड जस्ट
The
प्लांट
mangroves.
मैंग्रोव। और तू
ब्रो
पैसा रख उसके लिए, पैसा ले हमसे।
लाइक तू मीनिंग तू 6 करोड़ देगा मैंग्रोव्स डालने के लिए इज दैट व्हाट यू
मैंग्रोव
सेइंग.
डालने के लिए, हाँ ब्रो। ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ
हाँ.
टाइम, एक टाइम पे नहीं, एक मेरे को एक पेमेंट प्लान दो कि मैं रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा मैंग्रोव के लिए दूं। जो लोधा लगा रहा है हर जगह, मैंग्रोव लगाते जा रहा है, झाड़ लगाते जा रहा है, तो उसके लिए पैसे दे दूंगा मैं, क्योंकि उसके वजह से मैं 10 साल और जीऊंगा, मुझे लगता है।
You've reached a
ठीक है।
dystopian place where I've seen videos where it's like every person will own their own personal tree and that tree is in a bubble and you have the access code to get your mask and उसका ऑक्सीजन तू ही सूंघ सकता है बैठ के. That
ओजेश,
will become a thing.
वो क्या लगता है ब्रो? जैकी
और
श्रॉफ
वो
इज
पेड़
ऑलरेडी
पेड़ के
प्रिपेयरिंग।
नाम है.
जैकी श्रॉफ इज ऑलरेडी प्रेपिंग फॉर इट। वो ये लेके घूमता है, वो जो छोटा सा उसका एक है
He's
ना
breathing
पौधा है जो
oxygen
गले,
directly.
सीधा डायरेक्ट ऑक्सीजन जा रहा है उसको, फ्रेश। ब्रो, दैट्स द फ्यूचर। ये बनाओ टेक्नोलॉजी, डोंट
But
नीड
Jackie
अनदर।
Jackie श्रॉफ Jackie श्रॉफ real eco warrior, huh? Saving trees and tiger.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
या ब्रो,
yeah. Jackie is really into plants.
या ब्रीदिंग
तो
इट, स्मोकिंग इट।
ए बट ठाकुर बता क्या किया तू
मैं
बर्लिन में.
अवॉइड कर रहा था ठाकुर बोलने.
नहीं, बोल बोल दे क्यों। हार्ट हार्ट ऑन योर स्लीव, बोल दिए।
हाँ ठाकुर.
तो मैं तो मैं गया था बर्लिन। बगाइन करके एक क्लब है वहां पर, ठीक है? इट्स वन ऑफ द
ओ
बिगेस्ट
गॉड.
अंडरग्राउंड क्लब्स इन द वर्ल्ड। वो मालूम है तूने? देखा होगा कि अरे भाई इधर एंट्री नहीं देते, फेस कंट्रोल। इलॉन मस्क को ना बोल दिया उन्होंने, वैसा
हाँ
वाला
इलॉन मस्क को
सीन।
ना बोला.
हाँ ब्रो, तू जाके देखेगा ना, बगाइन इलॉन मस्क नो एंट्री, तो बताएंगे कि दे सेड नो। सो बेसिकली देयर एंटायर थिंग इज, तू लाइन लगा के खड़ा है, ठीक है? एंड इन द प्रीवियस 4 times दैट आई हैव गॉटन, आई हैव पास्ड इट। आई एम लाइक, आई एम नॉट वेटिंग इन दिस फकिंग लाइन फॉर 2 hours with no guarantee of getting in.
Hmm.
ठीक है? You can just be told, they look up and down, maybe ask you something, let you go in or say go, and you can't do the अरे ले लेना, थोड़ा पैसा ले जाने दे। नहीं,
You
नहीं।
do that, they're like, ए चल बगाइन.
बघाईन तुला आतमध्ये बघाईन नाही काय? तू तू बाहेर गाईन, तू बाहेर जाईन।
हाँ
तो
तो
एनीवे,
फिर तू कैसे घुसा अगर इलॉन नहीं घुस
हाँ तो
पाया
यही
तो
है ना,
तू
मैं
कैसे
सोच
गया.
में इंडिया से वहां खास जाऊंगा, खड़े रहना लाइन में? नहीं। मेरा
तो
एक बहुत ही क्लोज फ्रेंड सिद्धार्थ नरेन, उसका डीजे मॉनिकर इज डॉट डैट। ही वाज प्लेइंग एट बगाइन द वीकेंड दैट वी हैड गॉन।
Oh.
तो बिकॉज तुम डीजे के दोस्त हो, तुम्हारे लिए एक सेपरेट लाइन
अच्छा
है, और तुम एक सेपरेट
अच्छा
लाइन में
तो
रहोगे, वहां भी मतलब 0.01% कीटाणु मरने का, सर्वाइव होने का चांस है, मतलब यू माइट बी आस्क्ड टू लीव इवन देयर।
ओह
हाँ, तो फुल एक रोल ऑफ द डाइस, बट अ मोर कॉन्फिडेंट रोल ऑफ द डाइस। लेकिन हम लोग के साथ कुछ हुआ नहीं, लकीली वी वर स्ट्रेट अलाउड इनसाइड,
बट यहाँ
और
पे भी
गए।
मैन
कपल एंट्री होता है ना, इज इट कपल
नहीं
एंट्री? स्टैग।
नहीं, तू कैसे भी, तू दो लड़की कपल हो सकता है, तू दो लड़का कपल हो सकता है, तुम चार लड़के हो सकते हो, जो एक क्वाड्रुपल है।
हम्म।
एनीथिंग गोस, एनीथिंग व्हाटएवर यू कैन इमेजिन,
एनीथिंग यू कैन इमेजिन।
एनीथिंग यू कैन इमेजिन कैन हैपन देयर इनसाइड। मेरा कुत्ता भौंक रहा है, एक मिनट, बैंक्सी।
वाओ
मैक्सिस लाइक, अरे मेरे को नहीं लेके गया क्लब में साला।
क्या क्या बर्गर
यहाँ पे मैं मर रहा है गर्मी में।
हाँ ब्रो, हम लोग जब भी
हाँ
अब,
hilarious but you can only hear him yipping a little bit
या
व्हाट
please write all please write all timestamps where you can hear Banksy in the background. Hey,
या
speaking of Banksy, did you guys see the new Banksy?
या
या ब्रा,
Quite nice.
बैंगर,
Bro, how
बैंगर।
this guy, I just don't get it. How this guy just shows up with construction crew, just builds whatever he wants, and nobody
या
like meaning that's how few people there are. कि कोई देखता भी नहीं कि कौन कर रहा है क्या कर रहा है.
नहीं, मुझे
dude,
ऐसा लगता
he's
है
the
इसका एक थोड़ा
I
दूर
feel the
साइड पे
BMC
असेंबल
does the
करो और
same
जाके
thing.
चिपका।
बीएमसी डज द सेम थिंग, आके रात
That's
को
also
चार
true.
बजे कुछ लगा के चले जाते हैं, पता भी नहीं चलता है। तू सुबह सोया था,
नहीं
तेरी
लगाते
रोड
ना।
बनी हुई थी। सुबह सोया था, तेरी रोड बनी हुई थी। सॉरी, रात को सोया था, रोड बनी हुई थी, सुबह उठा, खत्म।
खराब,
द
उल्टा
रोड
है।
उठा के ले गए।
हाँ, उल्टा है ब्रो, आई एम टेलिंग यू, एवरी न्यू स्ट्रीट दैट आई सी राइट विद इन 15 days इट्स डग अप अगेन।
Again.
इट्स
Yeah, yeah.
इट्स स्टैगनेंट।
Bro, Google Maps can't keep up. Wow.
Dude, if Banksy had come to India and started making paint, it wouldn't even make a difference. Like Banksy
Yeah.
का होता है, instead of the girl holding an umbrella, it's just a girl with a pan stain on her face. That's it. Like वो balloon वाला जो
बाय द
उसका,
वे,
हाँ,
ये भौंकरा क्यों है पता है? बिकॉज माई
क्यों?
डॉग कैन नॉट स्टैंड कंस्ट्रक्शन नॉइज, ये है इसका
अरे
सीन।
वाह.
बूझी।
इसको मैं बोला, भाई तू बॉम्बे में रहता है, ये अभी तेरे लाइफ लॉन्ग तेरे पड़पोतों को भी सुनाई देने वाला है, जो ये रास्ता खोद के वापस बना रहे हैं 1000वें बार। ब्रो, एवरी डे देयर इज अ जैक हैमर, गड़ 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 गड़। इनके पास कोई ऐसे टाइम नहीं कि भाई संडे शाम को तो नहीं करना, लोगों को रेस्ट करना है, फोड़ो खाट खाट आवाज, इट्स जस्ट नॉइज ब्रो, इट्स फकिंग
ठाकुर
पेनफुल।
ठाकुर के अंदर अजीम की आत्मा आ गई आज।
नहीं नहीं ब्रो, क्योंकि मैं 2 पैसा भी बाहर जाके आया ना, तो एक हफ्ते के लिए
हाँ
मेरे को ये सब नहीं था मेरा आजू बाजू, ठीक है, सांस
हाँ।
ले रहा हूँ तो क्लीन एयर जा रही है अंदर, पार्क में जाके बैठ पा रहा हूँ, कचरा
Oh wow.
आवाज नहीं है मेरे नॉन स्टॉप आसपास।
पार्क पार्क क्या होता
पार्क
है यार?
ब्रो, पार्क मतलब से लेट लेट गया था जाके ऐसे पार्क में।
Oh wow.
लेट जाता हूँ, थोड़ा सूंघ लेता हूँ, घास कैसी होती है।
मैं जब लंदन में था तो वरुण वाज स्पेंडिंग टाइम हियर एंड तो मैं वरुण को ऐसे चॉइसेस दे रहा हूँ, यहाँ जा सकते हैं, यहाँ जा सकते हैं, यहाँ जा सकते हैं। वरुण बोलता है, पार्क जाए क्या? हम लोग जाके पार्क में बैठे और पिकनिक किए।
No, but
ब्रो क्या
you
मजा
have to
है।
experience.
बहुत मजा
Yeah, you
आया
have
था।
to experience things that you don't get back home. Na? That is the fun of
एग्जैक्टली,
it.
एग्जैक्टली, तू मुझे रूफटॉप लेके जाके सिटी देखेगा, नहीं देखना है भाई, क्योंकि मेरे को दिखती है सिटी। इधर भी जा, तू लोधा एम्पोरियम पे जा, 50वें माले पे देख, जो सब झाड़ कट चुके हैं तेरे को दिख जाएगा।
Superb. Superb.
एनीवे, यही है
By
ना
the way,
प्रॉब्लम है, टू मच चाहिए भी और नहीं भी चाहिए, डाइकोटोमी।
oh wow.
ये क्या है?
Okay,
What is this
so
called? What is this? Clip it. क्या? Am I doing this right? Let me know in
I
the
don't know
comments if
what
I'm doing this
you're
right.
भाई
doing.
ये
Whatever Thakur
हार्ट
said.
हार्ट करते हैं ना,
नहीं
चूतिया
नहीं,
हार्ट
हार्ट
होता
नहीं
है
है।
ना ये।
This is clip it नहीं, something else. Guys, tell
अबे
me what I'm doing wrong. ये I'm doing this right, but I don't know what it is.
क्या है ये,
Unbelievable.
टिचकी
Yeah.
मार रहा है?
In case you
No,
know
if
what it is,
someone
please
says
let us
something
know.
cool and you do this, you do this. Like it's clip it or something. I don't know the term for it, but somebody said something profound and you're like, ये मेरा
स्क्रीनशॉट,
Oh,
स्क्रीनशॉट
ये
ले रहे हैं।
स्क्रीनशॉट हो रहा है।
you know what the poetry open mic version of this is that if someone says something really cool, you do.
Oh yeah, you do this.
Yes. Yeah, which is
Yeah.
it's
First
I've
it's
time,
never
much
been to a
less.
poetry
dude, first
open
time I
mic.
hosted a poetry open mic, I thought everybody simultaneously wanted a fresh lime soda. सब एक साथ कर रहे हैं. It's like, इतना order simultaneously.
Hey, but wait. I want to ask. See, Adar, I know that you are a lyricist. Okay,
Hmm.
so I know that you have at some point written a poem in some form.
हाँ.
But Thakur, have you written a poem ever in your life?
No,
Never.
no,
The urge has never struck you to write a poem.
no.
Even after a breakup, you've just processed your emotions in a
No, I just
non-poetic way.
cried. Oh, wait. 1 second. So I'm supposed to process emotion by writing poetry. रोएश ना सीधा रो.
You've
रोएश.
never written a poem. You've never rhymed two lines.
No, but it was never like something that I can say it out in public. I have rhymed a lot. My entire life
Honestly,
is
Thakur,
rhyming.
most poetry open mics are things that should not be mentioned in public. So
No,
you're in
I
safe
didn't feel
company.
I was talented enough to be able to write poetry.
क्या
हाँ.
बोल
बस
रहा है?
थोड़ा पोएट्री थोड़ा ज्यादा है भाई. मैं ऐसे गाली वाला
Interesting.
गाना, पैरोडी, वो सब खेल लूंगा. वो सब खेल लूंगा. बट पोएट्री बहुत थोड़ा अपर.
देखो,
नहीं.
speaking of parody वाला
Interesting.
गाना and stupid stuff, buy
Hmm.
tickets for our show called Bollywood
Oh,
Postmortem. जाओ
yes.
नीचे links देखो. We are going up on a full India tour. There's going to be parodies, there's going to be stupid songs, and there's going to be a lot of random insane roasting and dissection of Bollywood. So
Yeah,
जाओ.
so a lot of the early birds are sold out, तो फटाफट ले लो. All of June we are touring across India and then हम लोग जुलाई में इंडिया के बाहर भी आने वाले हैं. तो जब भी उसके टिकट्स लाइव होंगे तब हम बात करेंगे. नहीं तो तुम बोलोगे भाई बोल के कैंसिल कर दिया. नहीं, टिकट आएंगे सून, तो कीप योर आईज पील्ड और ले लो फटाफट.
Yes. Okay. By the way, so today's episode is brought to you by a news story that came in the paper, and I thought it was a very interesting starting point to talk about a lot of different things because the news story itself was quite crazy. Okay, so basically what happened is that in Ahmedabad, parents of a 16-year-old girl hired 4 bouncers, okay, who would take 2 shifts each to ensure that this 16-year-old girl didn't overuse her phone. Basically, they had hired 4 bouncers at the cost of 65,000 rupees a month to control her screen time. Okay, so this was the starting point of this today's discussion. Okay, so firstly,
That's
to
the
tell you how
level it's
bad.
reached to. That's the level.
Yes,
Huh?
yes.
If it,
Abhi,
how does the bouncer decide how much is over usage of phone? Because if it's a 16-year-old girl, I'm assuming the usage is already high. But how
But
and
what
how
are
does
the
he
so
enforce?
consequences? I'm more worried about because a bouncer means मारेगा तेरे को. Like,
मारेगा
does
तो
she
घर
like
से
man,
निकाल
suddenly
देगा.
like
यही तो दो
आज dinner पे she's sitting with a black eye. It's like आज ज्यादा देर Facebook देख लिया.
तू किसी को मार अपने बच्चों को मारने के लिए ले भाई तुम बजा ले.
Bouncer.
but the crazy thing is, so obviously firstly hired 4 bouncers in 2 shifts. Okay, so day and night monitoring by bouncers. So how bad was the screen addiction? I'll tell you. So when they tried to take her phone away, she would throw such a fit that she would pick other appliances from the house and throw it from their high-rise apartment. So
Outside the window.
yes, she has thrown
And
a
how many
television.
indirect deaths has that caused?
Yeah.
सर कोई
So
घर से
that
कोई
she's
जा
thrown
रहा
a
है ऑफिस
television.
से टोस्टर गिर गया सर पे मर गया बेचारा because this chick didn't
Yeah.
want.
And he didn't see the
No,
toaster
but,
coming because he was on his phone. And the mother is like, देखा बेटा ऐसे ही होता है. अगर आप फोन पे होगे तो टोस्टर आपके सर पे गिर जाएगा.
And then somebody recorded a toaster falling on this person who was on his phone, put it online. So now that's gone viral. So now more people are on their phones. It's a self.
And now it's become a trend. Now it's become
Yeah.
an internet trend. How many people can take a toaster on their head? और कोई चैरिटी के लिए भी कर रहे हैं.
wow,
टोस्टर ऑन
this
हेड
is
चैरिटी फॉर चिल्ड्रन इन नीड.
It's a charity for phone addiction.
beautiful phone addiction. A beautiful life cycle of trends. So
Wow.
basically, she has yanked the television off the wall and flung it out of the window. Then she took the microwave and flung it out of the window. So all jokes
How
aside, I
strong
hope
is this chick that
nobody.
like the parents can't put her down. It takes a while to take the fucking microwave and throw it.
भाई अगर
खिड़की
मैं
बंद कर दो ना.
अगर
Grill
मैं
लगाओ,
I
grill.
would buy the flat underneath this girl's house and install a net. And I would wait for all my furniture to just arrive at my net.
Bro,
अरे
this is
टीवी,
faster
अरे
than
रुको रुको
faster
टीवी
than
आएगा.
Chroma, Vijay Sales. तू ऐसे बोला, अरे आज क्या चाहिए? Boing, माइक्रोवेव. अरे यार
No,
कपड़े
no,
धो गए लेकिन रुक जाता हूँ.
at this point, if you want a washing machine, you just have to smuggle a phone into the house.
House, yeah. Just keep
That's it.
texting her. Get her number and just keep texting. Hey girl, Yas Queen. तो उसको reply करना पड़ेगा ना. Yas Queen को तो Yas Queen बोलना पड़ेगा.
And then
You're
she takes
fighting
the
for
phone
all of
away.
us. Next time, throw the washing machine. Hey,
Yeah.
what about a dryer? Have you thought about throwing a dryer?
Dryer. I don't have a dryer. Hey, listen, why don't you convince your parents to get a dryer, then throw that dryer? Yeah, let's do that. Is your TV 56
So,
inch or 65 inch? I don't know. Just check now. Yes, Queen. Oh,
so basically,
आज देखूंगा.
आज मुंबई इंडियंस को हारते हुए
आज
मजे
मुंबई
मजा
इंडियंस का गेम है. Hey, yes, Queen. खड़ोइंग. Wow.
so basically, so now the point is why bouncers, right? So now you must have seen this. Like I don't know if you've ever observed this, but if you're out in the public and sometimes you see parents take their phone or tablet away from a kid. Have you seen the absolute meltdown that
Yeah,
happens?
yeah.
The shrieking, fighting, aggression, all of
I
that. So
did that last
basically,
week when my wife took my phone away.
Yeah.
so exactly. So basically, what's happened is that the people who are badly affected by phone addiction, when you take their screens away, they basically it triggers anger, violence, and risky behavior in them. Okay, so what was happening with this girl was that she was spending way too long on a photo sharing platform. Okay, now you can imagine of all the photo sharing platforms, whichever one it is, right? And she was interacting with strangers online, and her parents became alarmed when she would sneak out to meet strangers who she has just
Oh,
interacted with on
shit.
Instagram. Okay, so 24/7 surveillance, right? So basically, it opened this conversation, okay, about screen time because we're deep into the trenches of screen addiction, phone addiction, all of this, right? Like, and we are also perpetuating it by putting content online, which we would
Yeah.
like you to see all of.
Yeah.
So
I was
basically,
watching because we were doing research for this, so I started watching a podcast about phone addiction with like these experts and biohacker experts and stuff. And they give these insane like उनका cold open is this is happening with your dopamine, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. I was like,
yeah,
fuck, I'm already interested. And after the
yeah.
cold open is over, the host comes in and goes, by the way, I've noticed that most of you are not subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel. And then it goes into
Yeah,
phone addiction.
hilarious. Yeah. It's a very ironic thing that we're going to be doing, but I think worth talking about because Ira's also at this age where now she has started doing that thing where she starts like if we're watching TV and she comes into the room, we pause it. So she will actually look at the TV and say, "Papa TV lao na, Papa TV lao na," and she'll demand putting on the TV. You know what she started doing? She's psychologically manipulating me. Okay, so what she does is she comes to me and she says, Papa, Real Madrid, right?
Oh,
Because this one time I had
वाह,
shown
क्या
her Real
बात कर
Madrid
रहा है.
का video. Yes, I
तो
showed it
हाँ
to
ना,
her on
ऑल
the
टीवी
phone.
इज रियल मैड्रिड बोल के तू सीधा क्या लगा.
उसको उसको screen देखने का है. तो
हाँ,
however
फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
and she knows that if she says Real Madrid, Real Madrid, come, I'll show you. So then I show her. So because I
That's
also want her
smart, huh?
to be a that's damn smart.
But you know these अभी ये वाला जो generation of kids, aren't they called like the YouTube babies or the YouTube children or something they're called, right? Now I think in the last 5-10 years, if I'm not mistaken, there's a full thing on it because by default, bro, एक टाइम के बाद तू थक ही जाएगा ना. तू बोलेगा नहीं भाई, ये ले देख
Yeah.
ले, ठीक है. Now I've done that with Banksy कि
क्या?
उसका एक डॉग चैनल था ब्लूई करके, ठीक है.
oh, हाँ.
इवन किड्स वॉच इट. और वो
Yeah.
सेम ब्लू लगाएगा ना तो बैंक्सी भी बैठ के देखता है. तो समटाइम्स व्हेन ही इज हाइपर एंड ही इज गेटिंग zoomies and all of that, right? You play, you distract, and if you want to calm them down, you put the fucking TV on, and he sits and he is watching Bluey.
No,
Chup.
but Bluey is one of the best shows to watch because Bluey is slow burn content. It's not insanity content. So that's why it's helping
वो
him
भी है
calm
भाई.
down on some level. So it's slow storytelling. That's also a thing that now parents have to learn. So Bluey
But
is
what
slow
Thakur is
storytelling.
But this is true. So I want to talk about two things within this. Okay, first,
हाँ
how to take off from your thing of animal. Okay,
Hmm.
and apologies, other, for stepping into your territory.
हाँ
But
monkey.
this is the headline. Are you ready? The
हाँ.
headline is zoos concerned as gorillas become hooked on smartphone videos.
There's
Okay,
so many
so
questions.
yes.
First of all, how does he have a smartphone in the first place? That he's addicted. Why was this gorilla given a smartphone?
अबे ये टेस्ट कर रहे होंगे ना उस पे. You
No,
can't
no,
now
no,
tell
no.
gorilla you figure out how to get a smartphone also. तो फिर आदमी इंसान ही बन गया ना फिर वो भाई.
No, so what happened is कि तो क्या हुआ कि basically this went viral online कि gorillas and monkeys, they react positively if you show them images or videos of themselves. Okay, so people started coming into the zoo and they would take out their phone and show gorillas other images and videos of gorillas.
हाँ.
तो गोरिल्ले गोरिल्ले आने लगे उधर, और
Gorilla.
गोरिल्ले को बहुत बहुत मजा आया कि जस्ट लाइक दे शेयर 96% ऑफ आवर डीएनए.
Hmm.
ओके,
Yeah,
तो
bro.
जो अपना रिएक्शन है वो गोरिल्ले का भी रिएक्शन है. तो गोरिल्ला देखा, वो फक बोला मस्त यार, और दिखा. तो
और
पब्लिक
अगर तू
केप्ट
निकल
कमिंग,
गया
केप्ट शोइंग. सो
अगर तू निकल गया और गोरिल्ला की सनक
तो
गई तो वो तो फाड़ेश. वो तो केज भी जो बच्चे लोग अगर
एग्जैक्टली.
चिल्ला रहे तो फाड़ के सीधा फाड़ मार रहे तो सबके फोन
फोन दे,
लेके चले.
फोन दे इधर.
अबे
So can you
But there are
imagine
videos I've seen where gorillas are in that वो जो glass का partition होता है ना, and people are showing them the phone, and the gorilla
yeah,
behind the glass is going,
yeah.
and the guy has to move. Next video, पकाओ है, पकाओ next.
No, so exactly. So what happened is the zoo officials, they realized in Toronto Zoo, they realized कि, bro, these gorillas are changing their behavior so that they encourage people to show them short form videos and images. So they started putting up signs saying, please, we highly discourage you from showing gorillas
Gorillas any
videos
gorillas.
on your phone. Bro, it's wild. Like the fact that that's how potent it is. कि जो जो जानवर को कुछ कॉन्टेक्स्ट भी नहीं है दुनिया के बारे में, वो भी
अबे
एडिक्टेड है. तो व्हाट
उसने भी बना
टास्क टू
दिया है.
यूज दैट.
गोरिल्ले ने टिंडर बना दिया है अपना. तो हमेशा बोलता मेरा अकाउंट खोल एक बार, ये दिखा, ये नहीं है, ये वाली अच्छी है, ये वाली अच्छी है. वो लेके दूसरे जू में जा रहा है. अबे चूतिया, ये बर्लिन जू की है लेकिन तुम अलग जगह पे. वाह नहीं चाहिए मुझे,
और
बना
गोरिल्ला
एक
अपना हाइट
अकाउंट.
वाइट चेंज कर रहा है, बोल रहा है नहीं नहीं नहीं, आई एम 200 पाउंड्स. अबे तू नहीं
यार
है,
आई
तू
एम
टू
सिल्वर
हंड्रेड
बैक.
पाउंड झूठ बोल रहा है साला.
और रेगुलर गोरिल्ला पेंट कर अपने आप को, क्या आई एम सिल्वर बैक, सिल्वर बैक. क्योंकि ज्यादा डिमांड में. क्रेजी.
Bro, and so what happens is that they are properly, like, there are multiple reports of these gorillas being addicted to smartphones emerging
हम्म.
from zoos in major, like, lots of cities. So point is that very difficult for, and everything is designed essentially for you to get hooked onto it,
Yeah.
right? Like for example, what we were talking about when it came to like this bluey thing, right? So the other version of this is obviously Coco Melon, which
Oh,
has
cocaine
been
melon. It's cocaine melon.
cocaine melon,
Cocaine melon.
cocaine melon,
Bro, fucking
because
kids
cocaine
getting high
melon,
on that.
oh, they have a R&D department whose job it is to study what is most sort of like stimulating to the baby's mind, right? So they have come up with their own techniques. So one of the techniques is fast cutting. तो तू कोको
Yeah.
मेलन का कंटेंट देखेगा, फट 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 फट, it just keeps changing. So before your mind loves novelty, loves
Hmm.
stimulation, right? From that comes from novelty. So if you stay on a thing for too long, before you can get bored, they have moved to the next thing, next thing, next thing, next thing, right? It's
Hmm.
brightly colored. They've figured out what the saturation of the color should be, which attracts kids the most,
It's
right? So it's
zombification,
basically
na? How
designed.
fast can you get into zombification mode? Like, so there were
It,
games that there were shows like Bluey or something where children were still playing and watching. And then you go
yeah.
to Coco Melon where the children have stopped playing with whatever they had in their hand and now it's zombie mode.
Bro,
Bro, it's
every time we're around our friends, kids and coco melon होता ना, coco melon, टुडुंग टुडुंग टुंग टुंग, मेरे
टक
दिमाग
टक.
में अटक चुका है.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
मेरे दिमाग में. तो अगर
yeah.
मेरे
It's
लिए वो
it's
कोकेन मेलन है तो बच्चों के लिए तो क्या
It's like
होगा?
a Pavlovian reaction. Like the minute they hear that zzz, that sound, no, that
Hmm.
starts the thing, like
Yeah.
everything just they drop everything and they're like Cocomelon, Cocomelon, and they'll hold you at
Hmm.
gunpoint to put it on. So now the same thing is happening with your social media right now. It's been obviously dissected and spoken about a lot,
Hmm.
but there
Hmm.
are some very new things also about it, right? So firstly, I want to know your this thing on this. So how bad do you think, on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is your screen addictions? Other and
No, it's
Khalid?
bad.
Bad,
It's
bad,
bad.
bad.
Bad, no?
So
No,
there are
because see,
times when I'm
I'll
like,
tell you,
huh,
एक double sided है. एक होता है कि you're just constantly, because literally now your phone is a digital you, right? So even if you're not
Yeah.
sitting on Instagram, for example, अगर मैं बैठ के 1 घंटा बैंक का काम कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, ये भरना है, वो भरना है, that also sort of constitutes screen time. अपने को रील बनानी
Yes.
है, पॉडकास्ट कर रहे, so there is a bit
Yes.
like, so the easy bifurcation of अरे दिस इज प्योर स्क्रीन टाइम नहीं होता है ना, मतलब यू गेट अ रिलेटिव सेंस ऑफ हाँ ठीक है, आर वर्क ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व्स द स्क्रीन, बट उसके अलावा भी आई फील there's so much that blue light fucking addiction that is destroying
Mm.
your melatonin production, and you're just staring at a
Mm.
rectangular screen
Mm.
emitting blue light for what seems like almost 10 odd years if you have to put it in time, right? 5 घंटा 8 घंटा screen
Yeah,
time
yeah, yeah,
पकड़
yeah,
every
yeah.
day into
Yeah.
till what, from the time you started using your phone till you probably die, if you do it at least 20 साल, ये मैंने किधर कैलकुलेशन देखा था, 20 years worth of time has been spent doing this,
Crazy.
whatever the fuck. So you live for whatever 70, 75, 80 at a good life. उस पे 20 साल तू एक स्क्रीन को ही देख के करते जा रहा है.
पनवाड़ी
Now
जैसे
when you,
बस.
हाँ, तू वो 20 साल में से 10 साल भी और निकाल के तू और कुछ कर सकते हो. You would have learned a new hobby, you would have played that fucking instrument, you would have learned 4 new languages, you would have experienced and traveled the world, you would have done a whole bunch of other shit. But नहीं चाहिए भाई, बताओ नया क्या है, रील्स पे क्या चल रहा है आजकल, और बकवास.
Yeah, and
नहीं
yeah,
तो मेरा
yeah,
क्या,
just
हाँ, विद माय इट इज द स्पीड एट विच टाइम गोज. तो द
yeah.
अदर डे आई वाज ऑन द फोन एंड आई हैव रियलाइज, मैं ऐसा हाँ चल थोड़ा सा देखता हूँ, बिकॉज आई वाज डूइंग इट फॉर अ बैंक. मैं बैंक का कुछ, मेरे को जीएसटी पे करना था. हाँ, मैं जीएसटी पे किया. जैसे ही वो पे किया मैंने, ऑटोमेटिकली आई डोंट नो व्हेन आई गोइंग टू इंस्टाग्राम और वन ऑफ द ट्विटर और सम
Yes,
शिट लाइक दैट.
yes.
एंड नाउ इट्स 9 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग. by the time I've realized what to do, because मेरा पैर सो गया है, because I've been in the same position, so I readjusted my leg and I saw कि 10 बज गया है.
Your blood circulation had to stop for you to realize that you're on the phone for
10 बज
that
गया.
long.
इट्स 1 hour was gone. एंड देन मेरे बाजू वाले की बिल्ली आई. ओके, द अदर डे वो बाजू वाले का बिल्ली आके, हम लोग ने उसके लिए बेड बनाया, तो बेड पे बैठ के वो खिड़की के बगल में बैठता है आके. बिल्ली आया, हाँ, बिल्ला. सो जाके
Villa
बैठा है
hai.
वो वहां पे. एंड आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं उसको अच्छे पेट करूंगा, बट ही डिडंट वांट टू बी पेट दैट डे. सो व्हाट वी डिसाइडेड इज वील सिट नेक्स्ट टू ईच अदर एंड आई ही इज लुकिंग आउट द विंडो, सो आई डिसाइडेड मैं भी विंडो के बाहर
Hmm.
देखूंगा. मैं 20 मिनट कंटिन्यूसली विंडो के बाहर देखा है, विच फेल्ट लाइक 2 hours, but it
Yes.
it gave me a 2 hour reset on my brain, just sitting and
Mm.
looking outside the window, and nothing
Hmm.
was said.
Yes.
We've formed a bond. There's a separate bond between me and my neighbor's cat now.
Bro,
Great.
in
Like, by the
fact,
way,
you,
so
you know, there's a
Hani, I
growing
wanted to just
trend.
add.
There's a
Bol, bol,
there's
bol.
a growing trend for people who want to sort of, like, now de-addiction from phone is the new thing, right? People have started the dumb phone movement. याद है?
Yes.
Mm,
Have you heard
mm,
of it? Where एक
Yeah, yeah.
कचरा
yeah,
कुछ नहीं है, हेलो हेलो कर सकता है, एक टेक्स्ट बस. ना तू
yeah,
इंस्टाग्राम शॉर्ट्स पॉट्स कुछ पन नहीं. तो अगर
yeah.
करना है तो you physically have to either go to another phone or your laptop or whatever, where the fuck you want to do it from.
Make it
Otherwise,
harder.
make it
Friction.
harder, because it's, bro, it is impossible
Like
sometimes.
this
Yeah.
is the
You know, like,
average dumb phone, Kautuk. This would be the average dumb phone. Just phone, alarm, album, calculator, calendar, camera. Camera
Bas.
है, but like
which
very average camera.
which when we started
Bas.
using phones was the peak of the technology that we
Peak,
had.
peak.
And
Yeah.
this was, bro, polyphonic ringtone भेज रहे थे एक दूसरे को. ठीक
Wow.
है,
Too good, yeah.
पैसा भर के कि ये ले तू कहो ना प्यारे, ले पॉलीफोनिक में टिं 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 टू टिं 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 टा टा
It
टाउ
sounds
टाउ सेंड
it
सेंड.
sounds like a car reversing. All the ringtones were a gaadi reversing.
But
And
no,
that was
but
the
think about
same
it. Now
tech
that I'm
that
saying
Rajesh
this,
Roshan used to make that song.
but now that I'm saying this, imagine even with that dumber phone, suppose it, we were still doing this shit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Which right now would be sending a meme, right, to somebody. But वो time पे 2000 क्या 5-6 की बात कर रहा हूँ, नॉर्मल 20-22 साल पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ. CDA में फोन आते थे रिलायंस का.
Hmm.
You know that was the peak. But I'm saying dumb in the sense like think Nokia 3310.
Yeah, yeah,
उसमें भी
Yeah.
तेरे
yeah.
पास
That's what
स्नेक था. उसमें भी तेरे पास स्नेक था. So the dumb has to be without anything that like can
no,
distract your mind.
and so for me so again my screen time obviously is also very very high, and part of it is like as we've talked about, it's a career hazard because we are creators online.
Hmm.
Just end up by virtue of doing that stuff, you end up spending a lot of time online. But what I've also realized is that reality does not compare to what you're getting on your phone.
Yeah.
Like your reality is so dull in
Yeah.
comparison to the phone, and that's so scary because I feel like the amount of time that we spend on our phones, it's almost like you're living a separate life, right? You're physically here, it's matrix. You're physically here but you're mentally somewhere else, right?
Hmm.
So I was seeing this clip, a reel that popped up, ironically a reel that popped up
Hmm.
on my feed, where this actor was on a talk show. Okay, I think it was Conan or somewhere like that, where he said this insane thing, okay, which I found very interesting. He said, I realized that I had to get off the phone. And the time I realized it was when I was doom scrolling and I suddenly came across this one reel where some guy had taken a picture, or sorry, a video from the top of Mount Everest.
Hmm.
Okay, so this guy had reached the top of Mount Everest. He had taken a video, and he's like, मैं बेड पे बैठे बैठे वो देख पाया. And he's like,
Hmm.
that's when I realized that, dude, I should not be able to see this. I have done nothing to earn this view. Why do I have access to it? Like it's destroying, like once you've seen the top of Mount Everest, how does your building compare to that? You know what I'm saying?
Hmm.
Like your reality is so much diminished as opposed to what your screen is
So रुक
conjuring up
भाई,
for you.
Lodha
Right?
Everest will come out soon. You get to
Yeah,
climb
which
a
will.
mobile tower at the top of a building.
Hmm.
So the fact that like you're bombarded, right? So the other thing about it is that you're constantly bombarded with images and visuals that you should never, like the amount of information that we're exposed to on a second by second basis.
Hmm.
It should not be that much. Your brain
But bro,
cannot process it.
I'm telling you, over the last, I mean, many years now, my favorite thing to do while sleeping is जो reels या shorts देख रहे हैं ना, it's all the informative, educational, knowledge
Hmm.
enhancing type, right? I'm fucking addicted to that. I can watch hours of that shit, and that's somehow the
Yes.
only way I've been able to sleep. So I'm not watching
Yeah.
a TV show. I'm not watching stand up. I'm not. I'll either listen to a podcast or
Hmm.
anything that I'm watching is so curated to. जैसे अभी अपना रॉरी सदरलैंड, ठीक है, रॉरी सदरलैंड दे रहा है बैठ के ज्ञान एडवर्टाइजिंग पे और क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग पर, उसके है 100 रील, तो चूसेश
No,
फिर.
and what you're doing at Thakur is essentially you are like making a sort of like a positive value to what you're to the addiction, right? You're saying ki, hey, I'm
हाँ.
addicted, but at least I'm learning something, right?
Yeah.
Essentially is
But
what you're
am
saying.
I how much
But
of it
but
is
are
Are
you?
you
retained?
retaining? How much are you
you
retaining?
know जितना रिटेन करता हूँ इधर आके बक देता हूँ पॉडकास्ट पे, ठीक है, कल रात को देख लिया, सुबह को आके है उल्टी, तो इधर होगा बहुत
It's
सारा,
just an
बट
exam. You're just doing it, okay?
Or
But
no, but
it's a
another
thing. I
great
have to
point.
listen to a podcast while I'm going to get, like, if I'm walking to the grocery store to get something. So it's a normal errand. If I'm doing the dishes, if I'm cooking food, I have to put something in my ear because that means I'm wasting time doing a pointless activity that if I could
So
be engaging with more content in that time.
superb. Superb. So two things here, right? So one is the thing about wasting time slash boredom, and the second
By
thing,
the way,
Thakur, what
while
you
doing
said about.
dishes, you can listen to our podcast. We are not giving any
Oh
form of
yeah, 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 yeah.
information. We're just there. Please
That's actually
continue
the
doing dishes and listening to our
best,
podcast.
best thing, best thing you
is
can
the
do.
healthiest way to do dishes.
Yeah, many scientists, many research papers have been written that TIS and only TIS is the one thing that can save your brain from decay
Yeah.
on through
We
screen
enhance
time.
your lives. We enhance your
Okay.
lives.
So the first thing that Thakur said about retention, super great point. The idea about like uh, so what I think is happening is that we're gathering information horizontally and not vertically. So we have a lot of information on a lot of things, but no depth, right? So earlier people had limited information, but depth, right? So if you have 10 books, but you've really read them, you would know at least those 10 really well, right? As opposed to like 100 different things which you know very little of. And oftentimes the classic line of little information is as dangerous as no information,
No
right?
information.
Where your interpretation of things is based on, अरे मैंने reel देखा है. I'll give you
Real.
my own
What,
example.
how
वो
many
तुझे और
conversations have you
मैंने
had with people where they go, so I saw this on a reel. You've started having a conversation about something. So if I'm having a conversation about music with somebody who has no knowledge of music, so I'm like, okay, I'm contributing to this conversation in
But
a meaningful way.
but
And
that
that guy's
is
like,
that.
I saw a reel once about this, and it's something that is so superficial compared to what I was trying to discuss with you. But now you think you know the same amount
No,
of
but
information.
isn't it the modern evolution of I read this book, right? Earlier,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
it's where you're gathering it
But
from.
but
उसके पहले
no, and so what's happened is
एक वो था, मैंने
that
एक
thought
डॉक्यूमेंट्री में देखा क्यों पहले वो था, अभी पूरा
no,
प्रोसेस कट कट करके तेरे को एकदम मस्त एक एक
7 सेकंड
छोटा
में.
अच्छा फुआग्रा मिला है कि ये ले भाई इतना सा ही खा, पूरा बदल
So
करने की
हाँ,
जरूरत नहीं,
I'm
हाँ
reading
हाँ.
इतना सा
this.
मस्त.
I'm reading this right now. It's an
क्या है
interesting
ये?
book. It's Mozart. It's a biography, and
हाँ.
by Peter Gay. Now the thing is, this whole thing can be compressed into a 60-second video by somebody giving you the
Yeah,
salient features,
yeah.
and that is enough. But it's not. It's still 250 pages that you've like not really gone through. It can't be compressed into 60
No,
seconds.
and now, so the pros and cons of this, right? The pros and cons is that people will tell you that, listen, a lot of the books you just need to literally know 6 things about it, and वो बेचने के लिए उन्होंने बड़ा कर दिया है, but मेरे को पता है. But what I feel is, I also believe in that adage of the journey is the destination, right? So it is in the pursuit of knowledge that you gain knowledge, not the end goal of knowledge, right? It's not about reading the book, therefore I know things. It's about, hey, while I was reading this, I had all of these other thoughts, which
Yeah.
led me to all of these other places, which kind of gets edited out in the 7 second version uh, of the reel. So that is one. The second thing, what Adar was talking about, the thing about boredom, right? And this waste of time philosophy, right? I fully subscribe to this as well. Keep, I feel like one other thing that's happened because of the internet is because there's so much to do and so much is accessible to you all the time that you feel like, though any time that I am not doing something is time wasted, because life is so short and I can always cram more and more and more and more into it. So I don't know if you feel this way, Thakur. Do you feel this way?
Yeah, वो तो होता ही है.
You do? Same, na?
Yeah.
So, so you're just constantly trying to fill your
Right.
time with value.
With something like as suppose मैं अभी बैठा हूँ, अरे बैठू क्यों, चल थोड़ा एक कुछ पढ़ लेता हूँ,
कुछ.
देख लेता हूँ, एक फट फट करके हो जेश. Bro, I'll give you another very different example. Like say for example, from अभी मैं जब बगान गया था, ठीक है? So one of the policies they have is they
No
tape your phone,
phones.
no
हाँ.
phone. So तू अगर ये करना है तो फोटो वोटो तो अलाउड ही नहीं है. फोन लेना भी है, किसको बात करना भी है, जाके कोने में स्मोकिंग एरिया बाहर उधर जाके टेक्स्ट कर, डांस फ्लोर पे कुछ नहीं है वो, right? And after having done that entire night, bro, I can actually, we were talking about it while we were there, that even when you go for a music festival, you go for a concert, you go to a club, whatever, नहीं करके ना तेरा फोन निकलता ही है. Even in a random club, when you're chilling with friends or at a concert, you will randomly scroll, एक बार एक रिफ्रेश मार देते हो इंस्टाग्राम पे. क्यों? You don't need to, but तेरा अपने आप होते जा रहा है वो. You don't, sometimes it's almost unconsciously, not unconscious, subconsciously, or just you're at it. You don't decide to do
भाई
it, but toilet
unconsciously
गया,
भी हो रहा है. There are
unconsciously भी
videos.
हो रहा है.
There are
हाँ.
videos of people
टॉयलेट
I've
तो
seen
भाई.
with kids who are just in the sleep, just और
No,
ऐसा.
so what I was trying to get at was when then you're there present in the moment. मैंने फोन नहीं निकाला है भाई पूरी रात, because बीवी साथ में, दोस्त साथ में, I don't have to coordinate. I know I'm going to be here till morning. I don't have to do anything. फोन लेके डाल दिया. Bro, I suddenly felt weirdly present. More conversations are happening. Music better लग रहा है, vibe better लग रही है, लोग better लग रहे हैं, लोगों की vibe better लग रही है. I don't know how. It made such a big difference. Another thing my friend said, he went for a Fred Again concert. Okay, I think it was in New York, if I'm not mistaken. They did a no phones. So I don't know if they put it in Yonder or whatever, it was shut. They did a no phones concert. You see, the only organizers had taken one video of the thing. And when you see that video, you'll feel that vibe.
Yeah.
You'll feel people actually being present, enjoying the music, enjoying the company of being with each other. उसका scene ही अलग है. As opposed to that, एक last month एक concert हुआ था Kind Music करके. Okay, massive concert happened in Mahalakshmi. You see videos from that concert, you will only see fucking phones. There is 15-20,000 people, so there's 15-20,000 screens. You can't see the artist, you can't see people. Nobody is enjoying. They're all just with their fucking phones. And this is an example. You look at so many places around the world. You're looking at the experience you're at through this small fucking screen. Whereas you can see it in as wide IMAX from your eyes, but no. The actual physical change you can feel, bro. It was nuts.
Like, and like I feel like a lot of times like we're taking so much like footage of our lives that it almost feels like you spend half your life recording it and then the second half of your life just viewing
Watching.
what you recorded in the
Watching.
first half.
Yeah.
ये बस यही है दो half का lifestyle.
Yeah.
You know, year 15 to 45 I just recorded and now 45 to 70 I'll just watch. यार मजा आया देख क्या किया मैंने. Wow.
But bhai,
But then they used to do that with photographs also, na? There used to be a photo time where parents used to put all the photo albums together and some album एक दिन निकलती थी and your mother would go through all the albums.
तू फोटो लेने के एक हफ्ते बाद तेरे को मालूम पड़ता था कि वो फोटो आया कैसा है. ठीक है, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि तू ले रहा है पोलरॉइड भी नहीं, ये लेगा फिल्म जाके डेवलप होगी, एक हफ्ते बाद तेरे को दिखेगा, फिर तू डालेगा. वो एक हफ्ते
Delayed gratification. Delayed gratification is a big thing. Yeah, delayed gratification of all this. The extreme dopamine hit that you're getting, instant dopamine hit is the problem.
Yeah, it's like you're rewarding your brain. Like, you know, slot machine पे कैसा होता है? तू मालूम है ना, statistically, slot machine is has the worst odds in all of the casino. But you will see maximum people there because वो जो dopamine hit होता है ना of ting, आया नहीं आया, जितना भी आया close आया, and because you can keep fucking doing it and you keep putting smaller amounts, you don't even fucking realize. Same thing with your phone addiction. That dopamine loop that comes in, it's literally like that.
No, and I feel like the conversation around boredom also needs to change. Like I feel like what happens is कि दो चीज होता है. तो एक तो I've realized that even my own habits that I want something to keep playing or keep myself engaged, because if I don't, then, and I think this really got prominent during the pandemic. Okay, when you didn't have something stimulating you constantly, you had to do the horrible thing of spending time with yourself.
Yeah.
And it's a
वो तो मेरे को याद भी नहीं है.
Just to hear your own
याद
thoughts.
भी नहीं है कि मैं कब लास्ट टाइम अपने साथ बैठा था कि मैं साथ में नहीं. नहीं, क्योंकि वो वाला जो रील्स चलते हैं ना फिर दिमाग में मैं और मैं अपने साथ तो नहीं बैठ सकता.
The only place you would sit with yourself is in the toilet, and that is the one place where you can't go without your phone anymore. अकेला बैठ के मैं कैसे पॉटी कर सकता है?
Bro, वो एक meme funny viral हुआ ना, where you go to I forgot the last time you took a dump without a phone in your hand, right? Even now you try it. अगर तेरा कभी बैटरी मर गया, तू बाहर है and you go to the fucking toilet, तू ऐसा बैठा है ना, तू 2 सेकंड के लिए नेगा वाइब आ जाती है कि भाई क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है भाई, मैं कैसे I have to actually go through this activity.
नेगा वाइब.
ठीक है, तो उस पे एक बार बैठा हूँ. बोल.
The highlight, you know you have a problem of phone addiction when after every time you leave the loo, you have those red marks on your thighs where your elbows had been resting.
I was telling you about this one reel. I was on the pod going through memes. एक meme देखा कि भाई nowadays that people have started using their phones while on the pod, they end up spending more time on the pod than they actually need.
On the pod.
तो पहले तू 5 मिनट तो टाइम पास ही कर रहा है, फिर होने के बाद और 10 मिनट बैठा हुआ उस पे. दैट इज वर्स for your posture, for the system, for the way it works. तो उसकी रील है जो मैंने फॉरवर्ड की है while being on the pot. So
On
the
the
meme that has gotten viral is you forwarding that meme about how you should not be on the pot while you are on the pot, looking at that
pot.
reel.
And by the way, doctors have had to put out messages saying, guys, piles cases are increasing.
Yeah.
We are
Yeah.
spending upwards of 20
Piles
20
cases
minutes
are piling
for
up.
bed and-
Pile cases are piling up.
so I hope you're not watching this. I'm sure there'll be one comment. Okay, watching on pot as you
Watching
discuss
on
about
pot. Yeah,
pot
yeah,
watching on pot.
yeah. उठ जाओ
So-
भाई pot से उठ जाओ.
No, so Jordan में एक
So
doctor
the
था.
second
Now
thing,
doctors also addicted, by the way. Jordan में there was a case where the doctor was giving, like he was delivering a baby. तो इसने cesarean किया, but he was still, I don't know how he had his phone with him. He forgot the phone inside the abdomen of the mother and डाल दिया. And the mother is
Bro,
like, ये
that's the
vibrate
script
हो रहा
of
है.
Kambak Tish. That's the
Yeah.
script of Kambak Tish with Akshay Kumar and Kareena Kapoor. उसके इसमें ना तो ओम मंगलम उसको आवाज आते रहता ना वो जो.
oh
That is coming.
yes,
So she operates on him. She leaves that thing inside him, a phone or a bracelet or something, which has the track Om Mangalam Mangalam. So he is walking around. उसको
hilarious.
आवाज आती है. Yeah, what? Bro,
Wow,
I
art
sat
imitating,
on
sorry,
this
life
movie
imitating
so
art.
much.
And this is the only time I've called Kambak Tish cart.
But
Art,
at what
art.
point was he looking at the phone? I don't understand. You've got to handle the most delicate, like, human being that is there.
Bro, he was watching a video of how to perform cesarean.
हाँ,
और फिर वो
good.
देख रहा है. Okay, make sure you don't cut this artery. Which is that artery?
and then
गिर
he
गया.
and then right before the information of don't leave the phone in abdomen played, there was an ad. So he said, "अरे छोड़ यार."
छोड़ दे.
But how did the phone end up there? Is he like he didn't have a
छोड़
phone
दिया ना
holder?
उसने.
उसके पास ट्राइपॉड नहीं था तो उसने ऐसे क्या वूम के ऊपर बैलेंस करके रखा है and then he's like
Tripod.
साथ हाँ
That's hilarious.
उसने
तो
वूम पे
like
That's
बैलेंस किया
hilarious.
फिर सिजेरियन के तो कट गया तो फिर फोन गिर
हाँ
गया और उसने सिल लिया. That's wild.
another
Again,
thing
now-
So there is
हाँ.
Now,
one
bro,
dedicated.
now when this lady has the second child is going to come fucking
With
with
the
a
whole-
YouTube
वो अंदर
premium.
से
Hello?
बात करके
हाँ.
बता रहा है मम्मी आज
Hello?
आज थोड़ा ये एवोकाडो खाना बंद करो आज थोड़ा पिज्जा
हाँ. आज थोड़ा वो क्या बोलते हैं, वो आने वाला है ना जो what do pregnant women get here? You have to measure ना उनका how many times the kicking is happening or something. भाई पति तू बता ना पापा.
how many times
I
kicking is
don't know
happening
what you're talking about.
अरे bro, you
Oh,
get ना
the contractions. The
Contractions.
कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. मैं कंप्रेशन सोच रहा हूँ. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन देखो टाइम वाइम करना होता है ना कि
हाँ
अच्छा अभी इतना आ रहा है अभी उतना आ रहा है. तो ये
Right.
जो फोन वाला बच्चा है वो अंदर से ही बता रहा है कि अच्छा सुनो अभी कल 16 आने वाले हैं फिर 5 तो बुक
So-
अकॉर्डिंगली.
and this is possible also because you'll be able to give the phone and वो वायरलेसली चार्ज भी कर सकते हो तुम तो ऐसे पेट पे वायरलेस चार्जर रखो
मैक्सेफ
तो
पड़ा हुआ है
बच्चा
पेट.
मैक्सेफ से अपना फोन चार्ज कर रहा है
और कौतुक अटक चुका है. हम लोग टेक्नोलॉजी की बात कर रहे हैं और पिछले 1.5 महीने से कौतुक पता नहीं कौन सा 1997 का इंटरनेट यूज कर रहा है.
कौतुक is using dumb net
BSNL डायल अप.
dumb phone कौतुक का dumb internet है
डम
which is
इंटरनेट डम लैपटॉप.
actually this is good. This is how you limit your internet usage. If your internet is only shit, then you will not be on your phone.
Yeah,
Agreed.
except you do it when you're not on the podcast ना.
Wait up.
हाँ आया
Correct.
कौतुक.
रुक,
थोड़ा
let's-
move a little bit
हाँ,
before you
आ
start
गया
speaking.
वापस. देख अभी आ रहा है.
भाई एक और चीज
हाँ.
है this I
So,
heard this
but to
apparently there are doctors who are complaining about the fact that mothers who are giving birth are not letting go of their phones while giving birth.
उन लोग भी कुछ देख रहे हैं पॉडकास्ट.
फोन हाथ में है while you're giving birth to distract yourself from whatever is happening and stuff like that. So they're not letting the phone go out of like the operating theater.
फक क्रेजी. तो
But I mean-
डॉक्टर फोन पे, बीवी फोन पे, बीवी क्या मम्मी फोन पे, फोन गिरने के बाद बच्चा फोन पे और डैड भी तो होगा उधर खुद
Dad
भी फोन
बगल
में
में
बात
ना
देख रहा होगा
हाँ,
कुछ.
dad
Dad
कुछ
video
दे-
ले
हाँ.
No,
Dad
and
video
by
ले
the
I'm
way,
your wife.
but I mean, like the phone addiction is so bad that I wouldn't put it past it if doctors, have a designated nurse ki, एक nurse scalpel, nurse scroll.
हाँ नर्स स्किप वीडियो. अरे डॉक्टर
Yes,
इधर तो
video.
प्रीमियम ले लो. हमने 4 लाख रुपए भरे. हाँ, सॉरी,
ऐड
दैट्स
ऐड
एडिशनल.
चल रहा है यूट्यूब
टिप
पे.
ऐड करना है हॉस्पिटल के फोन पे तो तुमको एक्स्ट्रा ये भरना पड़ेगा. सर, इज दिस डिडक्टेबल? नो, इट्स नॉट.
So the other thing I want to talk about was the boredom thing, right? So one is that you don't want to give yourself boredom because then you have to listen to your inner voice talk to you. You're like,
Hmm.
"Gee, just suppress it,
जो गाली
right?
दे रहा
So
है, जो सिर्फ गाली दे रहा है.
गाली दे रहा है, चिल्ला रहा है तेरे पे.
क्या उठ
तो
साले, क्या कब से कितना लेटेगा. मैं थक गया. उठ
why is
साले.
Sanjeev Goenka?
ये संजीव गोयंका. माय इनर
He's
वॉइस इज
Sanjeev.
संजीव गोयंका. ठंडी पी. ठंडी
So
पी. मैं बात ही
so
नहीं करता इसलिए कि चुप.
no, and the second, the thing about benefit, the thing about boredom, right? The benefit, the real benefit is that there is a very, like, I feel a very strong link between creativity and boredom, right?
Hmm.
Like, you need to be bored sufficiently for your brain to start thinking of new and interesting things. Because if you keep stimulating your brain, your brain will be like, ठीक है, तो फिर मैं नहीं सोचता हूँ ना, तू ही दिखा दे सारा,
दिखा दे.
Yeah.
right?
हाँ. हाँ.
So
Which
you
is
need
happening
that
with AI
prerequisite.
also, huh? People, I
अभी तो
like it's
भाई
just her email.
पब्लिक लिख नहीं पा रही है. ईमेल नहीं लिख पा
Write
रही है.
write email that is not too strong, but also make it very calm. But also, and
या एंड.
the email that has to be written is, hey, do you want to come to my house on 25th? इसका
हाँ.
reply लिखने के लिए तुम,
Hilarious.
I don't want to say no, but I want to say no in a nice way where they don't feel
Hilarious.
bad and I'm not doing this. Compose the email now.
नाउ एंड
Hilarious.
डोंट मेक इट साउंड लाइक यू, मेक इट साउंड मोर लाइक मी.
Yeah.
Bro, by
और
the
फिर
way,
नीचे
there's a
4 ऑप्शन.
proper pandemic of this AI-led like brain rot that's happening, right? So I think the best way to put it is that writing for me is thinking, right? That you are
Hmm.
trying to, it's not about physically putting down the thing. It's about formulating the thought first, right? And then you're putting it down. So the
भाई
thing is
मेरे
that
तो
when
सिर्फ
you're
थॉट ही फॉर्मुलेट हो रहे हैं. लैपटॉप खोल लेता हूँ, थॉट्स पे थॉट्स आ रहे हैं. उधर कुछ गया नहीं है. दिमाग में बहुत है लेकिन गया नहीं है.
so
थॉट्स
basically
तो भाई
wow the thoughts. But
बहुत थॉट्स.
the point is when you just go to AI and you say, hey, come up with 10 ideas, right? So what you're essentially वो कर देगा.
Hmm.
But what you're essentially doing is you're again, it's the journey, not the fucking destination, right? The fact that while you were thinking of those 10 things, you would have found a better way to approach that thing, which is now lost to you. क्योंकि AI ने अभी थूक दिया है सारा, उल्टी कर दिया है जो भी ideas थे, right? So now
Yeah.
you're going to just pick and choose from whatever AI has given you as opposed to thinking about anything. तो एक तो ये I feel, I genuinely feel like someone should start a let's get bored movement.
No. So we were actually trying to decide. We wanted to buy a few things for the house. So now you can
Yeah.
click a photo of your living room and then add furniture in it and stuff like that. And so at one point, I'm screaming at the AI because उसपे मैंने बोला है कि make the bag sit here and move the pillow on top. Make the bag. Sorry, move the table in this direction next to the bag and put the pillow on top of it. उसने पिल्लो इतना बड़ा कर दिया है टेबल को, so it's all gone fucked up. Okay, and now I'm shouting at it.
अभी तू
I
पिल्लो
am,
पे सो रहा है,
and
बेड पे
also
मूत
मैं
रहा
बात कर रहा हूँ.
है.
मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. I'm not typing it out. I'm talking to the AI and I'm
हाँ.
going, look at what you've done. I'm shouting in this way, like I'm shouting at
Hilarious.
another, like a contractor पे मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ. ये क्या है? Look at the photo that you have done. How is this
उसके बिना
possible?
काम नहीं होता है. यू विल बी सरप्राइज. यू विल बी सरप्राइज क्योंकि तू एआई को भी प्रॉम्प्ट दे सकता है ना कि भाई तू कैसे बात करेगा मेरे साथ.
Yeah.
उसके ऊपर
हाँ.
भी उसके आंसर चेंज होता है भाई के. अलग
क्या
अलग.
क्या क्या
हाँ.
बोल रहे?
अभी अभी याद
It
नहीं एग्जाम्पल, बट आई
apologizes.
रिमेम्बर.
First, it apologizes. Sorry.
Apologize
I
the way he'll
understand
give
your
you.
frustration. I clearly understand that I have made a mistake.
नो
And this
ब्रो,
is dis
समटाइम्स वन व्हेन इज नाइस गाय रिप्लाई रहे देखो पूरा ये देगा, बोला ब्रो फक इट, बी स्ट्रेट, कट टू द चेज, देन इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली फकिंग फिल्टर दैट आउट. एक मिनट में तेरे को 10 दिया था, ये तेरे पास एक ही ऑप्शन है, तेरे को यही करना पड़ेगा, लेना है तो लेना, तो माचुदा वैसा वाला है.
Hmm.
वो भी ऑप्शन
Bro,
है.
by the way, can I tell you there's a thing called, be very careful about this. It's a thing called chatbot psychosis. Okay, jidhar public, they've been interacting with their chatbot so much. Okay, now they start, like, basically chatbot tells them and they just start doing things. So there's a crazy story of this guy who went to kill the queen.
हाँ.
Okay, Queen of England घुस गया. So in 2023, there's a guy called Jaswant Singh Chahal. Okay,
है
so
अपना.
हाँ, जसवंत सिंह चहल. तो ये बात कर रहा था चैटबॉट के साथ. तो बात करते करते पता
ओ
नहीं
भाई
कैसे.
क्या क्या चल रहा है भाई. ओ भाई मैं बोल रहा जाके मार दे क्वीन को मार दे. और क्यों मार दे. अरे उसने कोहिनूर लेके दिया नहीं साडा कोहिनूर वापस. ओए क्या. ओए. चलेगा फिर.
So basically, so ये पहुंच गया. So when he what happens is that he lands up at Windsor Castle with a loaded crossbow.
Oh
और
fuck.
क्रॉसबो लेके पहुंच गया है. ठीक है. सो ऑब्वियसली द कॉप शो अप एंड दे गो लाइक, भाई किधर क्या क्रॉसबो हाउ व्हाट.
किधर क्या.
तो
और
जसवंत
उधर
सिंह
के
चहल.
कॉपी. ओ भाई क्या हो गया है तनु क्या हो गया है ये क्रॉस बोले किधर फिरते पे हो.
अच्छा, पुलिस भी पंजाबी में बात कर रही
अबे लंदन में है ना. ये अपने ही है सब पब्लिक.
है.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर है ही नहीं. एक्सक्यूज मी सर को निकाल दिया है. सब स्पेन चले गए. बीच में पड़े उन लोग अपनी पब्लिक.
तो भाई को पूछा कि किधर जा रहे हो तुम क्रॉसबो लेके. तो बोलता है, आई एम हियर टू किल द क्वीन.
Oh shit.
तो दे सेड, एक सेकंड आप साइड में आओ जरा, इधर आओ. क्रॉसबो इधर दे दो. सो so basically they had a they asked him how did this happen. So बोलता है कि अरे my chatbot told me to come here. तो फिर देखा उसका chatbot का history. So in his chatbot conversations he is having these crazy conversations with chatbot about different things alongside sexually explicit conversations with chatbot.
हाँ.
Okay, so घूम फिर के then they later found out
अटक
कि
गए.
the
सब अटक चुके हैं.
नहीं,
now
तू अटका
अभी
था,
वापस
तू
बना.
अटका था. हाँ.
मैं अटका था. मेरे
हाँ
लिए तुम लोग
वो
अटके
अटका
थे.
हाँ.
था. क्या बात है, कुछ इंडिया में चल रहा है गाइस इशू. So basically, the nail in the coffin was when they looked at his chat history. Chael had asked the chatbot how he could get to the royal family, and the chatbot said, "That's not impossible. We just have to find a way."
ओह. बट उसका
And
प्रॉम्प्ट
the
क्या था. हाउ
chatbot
टू
had
किल द
basically
क्वीन.
pushed him into doing.
उसका प्रॉम्प्ट क्या था. बिकॉज इफ यू टाइप
So
मेनी टाइम ना. लाइक जैसे अपन अपन अगर मूवी के लिख रहे स्क्रिप्ट स्क्रिप्ट के लिए रिसर्च कर रहे उस पे. यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट. ओके. इफ यू गेट कॉट फॉर दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी व्हाट इज द पेनल्टी फॉर दैट व्हाटएवर some stuff like that right which might sound like an actual terrorist is trying to find out and not a filmmaker. It actually tells you I'm not allowed to talk about this. तो ये जसवंत सिंह चहल को कैसे रिस्पॉन्स मिल
so
गया कि
so
इन्नु
this so
मारना है
basically
कैसे.
so that's the thing. So there's a lot of, by the way, there's a whole separate subcategory of videos where people have found ways and hacks to basically get information out of ChatGPT or turn it. So this was not ChatGPT. This was a different chatbot. But essentially, the point is that these chatbots, the point is no one really knows how they react. No one really can predict what their interaction with you will be. Like you said, right? If you tell them to react a certain way, they'll start behaving differently, right? So this chatbot psychosis is a real issue to the point where people have actually lost their lives because chatbots have told them to
हाँ.
carry on with all sorts of weird and crazy ideas. So just the point of this whole thing is be careful when chatbot is talking to you, and if it tells you to take a loaded crossbow and land up at Windsor Castle,
Yeah.
please think twice.
Yeah,
So
think
ये
twice,
जो
but go.
तो ये जो है ना, there's a old experiment that they've done where the thing is you're getting dopamine too easily. That is the problem here. The internet, the social media is giving you dopamine too easily. So they've done an experiment with rats where they engineered the rat so that they can't manufacture their own dopamine. So only when they would feed the rat, like literally खाना मुंह के अंदर डाला है, only then would the rat eat the food. And if they kept the food 1 inch away from the rat would die of hunger because it didn't want to go eat the food at all. Like they didn't want to make that much of an effort to get the dopamine, which would be equal to going out, taking a walk, maybe working out without any stimulus, no music, nothing, just working out, concentrating on that. So it's like any effort to get dopamine seems like too much effort now, unless
Yeah,
it is
but
given
so
straight
Yeah,
into your
and
mouth.
No, and also on top of that, we are now in an era of the second screen entertainment,
Yeah.
right? So we've been doing these streams
Which,
for Dream 11,
uh,
and they are basically like a companion commentary to the match that's happening. And I
Yeah.
find the what's it called? Just the idea that we came up with T20 because टेस्ट बहुत लंबा है, 50 ओवर कौन देखेगा, तो T20. अभी T20 कैसे देखेगा यार पब्लिक विदाउट हैविंग कमेंट्री ऑन द साइड, राइट?
वो भी
सो इट
इंग्लैंड में 100 करके हो गया है,
वो
उसको भी
हो गया
और
है.
छोटा किया। उस पे भी भाई साइड में तो दोस्त चाहिए ना, अकेले बैठ के कैसे मैच देखो, तो चलो खोलो ऐप
Bro, and that's the
देखो।
thing, right? So at some point, like we'll reach this place where people will just be like, bro, मेरे से तो टॉस भी नहीं देखा जाएगा यार, कितना यार, ऐसा कितना टाइम लगाएंगे लोग.
नहीं, मुझे
तो
मैच देखना भी नहीं है, तू मैच खेल के मुझे बता दे क्या होता है, एक ऐसे
हाँ,
देख के मैं ठप दे सीधा,
तो
ओ मैच देख लिया।
तेरे को हाइलाइट्स का रील देखना है।
हाईलाइट का हाईलाइट्स,
हाइलाइट्स
हाईलाइट का
का
हाईलाइट,
highlight।
हाईलाइट का
हाईलाइट भी
हाईलाइट का
काट.
तू एक काम कर, स्कोर बोर्ड को रख और उससे पूरा मैच डाउनलोड हो जाएगा मेरे दिमाग में। ब्रो
No,
इधर
but
ये
you
हुआ
see,
ना, दिस गाय, ओके fucking hell, this guy in Uttar Pradesh, okay, name their son iPhone.
what?
So
और उसको दिया
they,
एंड्रॉइड।
they had to give mother's name and father's name, but the guy's wife's name on his phone was Bhabhi. So he
What?
just didn't know her real name. He didn't remember. So you couldn't put the whole thing. So then the child's name has been registered as iPhone because that he remembers.
वेरी फनी।
This is not a real story, is it?
Which is, bro, in 2022, Bihar, a man in Bihar registered his newborn son's name as iPhone. When asked why, he said,
I
my
have no
wife's name
doubt
is on
this
my phone as
happened।
Bhabhi. I forgot her real name. Her iPhone, I remember.
Hilarious.
The
By the
hospital
way,
refused to issue a birth certificate. He later changed it to Apple Kumar.
But iPhone is better as a name because now you can name all your subsequent kids just models iPhone 15, 16, 17। just आगे बढ़ते जाओ तुम लोग, खत्म।
but by the way, do you know this? There's a thing called there's a new phenomena that started happening called sleep scrolling.
Yeah।
Okay, so you know how there was sleepwalking and sleep talking. Abhi sleep scrolling. So there have been cases where people just see कि oh, ऐसा आदमी सोया है, पड़ा है bed पे, and then suddenly his hand will go up and he's doing this.
But he's not watching. He's
No,
sleeping and just
He's
the
sleeping.
finger
He's
is.
just doing this.
नींद में हाथ चल रहा है। It's bizarre, it's scary to look at, it's weird। like I personally, I'm more YouTube watcher than रील watcher। रील पे
Yeah.
it's always अरे this is stupid, इसको मैं कैटलॉग करके बाद में पॉडकास्ट पे लेके आऊंगा, and that my algorithm has now gotten trained on that to the
Mm.
Yeah.
point where I don't enjoy, like, the my addictive stuff is not on reels anymore because reels has become a workspace। So, but
Wow.
YouTube is my addictive space. But YouTube again, 20-minute plus videos. I wouldn't watch
Photos.
shorter content. Yeah. But now
Hmm.
even that, people have got a new Chrome plugin, guys. So if you guys want it, it's a Japanese company. They've developed. It's called the Cat Gatekeeper. So if you are on social media, you set up a time and the websites, like you put Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, jo bhi. And if you're on these websites for longer than your duration, then a cat will walk onto your screen and stop you from watching anything।
Hilarious.
and आके वो बैठ जाएगा।
Hilarious. Wow. Wow.
But अभी भी है ना वो
Superb.
sleep mode. I mean, you don't have this, but
Wow.
you have like sleep mode. You have app lock,
See,
so
there
you
are ways
can't
around it।
access.
ऐसे तो हर चीज का there's a this। So there are other ways where apparently you can, a good idea is to give your phone to your friend। Like
Oh, how is that a good idea?
you exchange phones with somebody who you trust। So
I don't
you
trust
have Varun's
anybody.
phone, Kautuk has Varun's phone, Varun has Kautuk's phone. So now all the apps are in different places. So it's
If I have
annoying for you
Kautuk's
to
phone,
use
I'm
it।
going to go randomly like different women's photos. I'm going to
And then
send
I
like
will
a
put out a
broadcast.
statement. I'll put out a statement saying that my phone registered an unauthorized interaction.
Bro, you don't
But
give phones to your friends. They will then compose a message, broadcast it to your entire list. So what if
yeah,
we are close to 40 years old? We'll do this
so
dumb shit.
Or
No, but
you create a
हाँ,
password for a particular app. So if you have a problem with Instagram, you create a password for Instagram, but
और
only
मैं भूल
so
जाऊँ.
नहीं, तेरे दोस्त को पता है. So every time you want to unlock it, you have to go beg him for the
Again, I don't
password.
want to give any passwords to any sensitive
अरे
social media
Instagram.
accounts to my friend,
अरे वो पासवर्ड
especially
नहीं,
Instagram.
वो पासवर्ड नहीं, there are other passwords. So there's a
There's a
app lock
lock
password,
password.
so which is just a 4 digit random 2367. That's it. तो अगर वो ऐप को खोलना ही है तुझे, you have to go beg your friend to open it for you.
By the way,
Don't
so
know.
so they had a lot of
मुझे
these
एडिक्शन,
apps.
मैं एडिक्शन चालू रखूंगा, चलेगा। वो चूते को फोन करूँ, फोन नहीं उठा रहा है, मेरे को ब्रांड डील अपलोड करनी है, अपना रील जाना है, टेस्ट एपिसोड करना है, क्या नहीं करूँ क्योंकि वो चूतिया किधर नो नेटवर्क एरिया में।
लेकिन तेरे लिए नहीं बोल रहा ना, मैं लोग के लिए इन जनरल बोल रहा हूँ, who just
नहीं,
have
मैं
regular
पहले ही,
lives and
So
अगर
jobs.
मैं अपने आप पे अप्लाई नहीं करूंगा, मैं लोगों को भी नहीं दूंगा।
so one company basically realized that so there are a lot of these app locks, time bound,
Yeah.
services. But what would happen is that much like what Thakur is saying, right? Ki the real addicts who were in the middle of a video, who were on a game and they wanted extra time, they'd just be like, "Fuck this shit." They would quickly go back and
Yeah.
change the settings and then continue, right? As if nothing happened. So this app realized, ki, oh, there's this whole problem. So what they did is they created a new thing where the app doesn't shut your phone, lock the app, nothing. Okay, what it does is it just makes your phone more annoying. So it'll just make scrolling slightly harder. Then every hour it'll make it slightly harder. Then
Ah.
swiping will become little more like unpredictable. Like
Everything will be slowed down. Like you touch something and it'll take way too long
it'll
for
just
it to
buffer a little bit
open.
longer. Like,
Yeah.
so it would just annoy you. And it found that it was 16% more effective in getting people to, because people would just get fried. They'd be like, मेरे को दिख रहा है, but just that inconvenience is making me
No, but
want to shut my
then
phone.
now you're in a fried mood. So you're like, okay, fine, I'm not going to scroll. It's so fucking irritating. I'll be angry and read a book. I'll be angry and talk to
Yeah.
some. गुस्सा ही रहेगा ना कि साला ये क्या कर रहा मैं अपने जिंदगी के साथ। मैं क्यों कोई थर्ड पार्टी को कंट्रोल करना, मैं गुस्से में रहूंगा फिर आधा घंटा, उससे अच्छा 4 रील देखेश।
Thakur
Don't-
making the best of a very bad situation. Then in Chongqing, China. Okay,
Hmm.
so how have you had this happen to you, where you are walking on a footpath, road, wherever you can get space, and someone is on their phone like this. Okay, and they're taking too long or whatever, right? And it's annoying.
It's the worst,
But
bro. I hate being behind people who are on their phones while walking.
Yeah.
yeah,
And also, they not just, even if you're not walking, they will come and they will plant themselves on the thing
yeah,
because they're in the middle of a very important discussion or
Huh.
some reel, whatever the fuck, and they're just there in the middle.
yeah.
In the fucking middle. It's so irritating. हट जाना side पे खड़े रहते हैं. But
तो
उधर ही.
ठाकुर चॉन्किंग ने तेरी सुन ली है, क्योंकि चॉन्किंग created some footpaths where there was a partition. So one lane was for non-phone user, one lane was for phone user. That's
Perfect.
how bad the phone
Bro,
situation.
I assure you, the phone user has not gone in his lane. He has gone and banged into that partition that was created. So now there's people with massive head wounds. ठोके खून खून निकल रहा है, पब्लिक मर रही है क्योंकि उन लोग ऊपर नहीं देख पाए। जर्मनी, ब्रो, जर्मनी में कौन सा टाउन है, ऑक्सगैंग ऐसे कुछ तो टाउन है। There is such an epidemic of people staring at their phones. They've put traffic lights, pedestrian walking lights on the ground.
Oh.
Wow.
कि तू ऐसे चलते हुए जा रहा है and you know that there's a crossing, तो नीचे ग्रीन या लाइट जमीन पे, ताकि एटलीस्ट तेरे को दिखे
They've
अरे
given
ग्रीन
up.
लाइट
This
है।
is a sign of they've given up कि ये तो नहीं होने वाला भाई. We
ब्रो
have to
अपने ऐसे
change.
वो देखा ना, ये अपना एवोल्यूशन वाला कि अरे पहले
Correct,
ऐसा
correct. Dude, I'm doing
नियांडरथल,
workouts to eliminate
ये
this.
अभी वापस।
I'm doing workouts to eliminate, like, get my neck back in place. Every day, part of my workout is getting the neck back in place. वो बिस्तर पे
By
आधा
the way,
लटक के अपना गर्दन ऊपर नीचे करते रहो.
हाँ,
there
मैं
is
भी वो
a
बेटा
there is a term for what you guys are describing. It's called tech neck.
टूटिया आप। हाँ,
Technique. चुत.
Tech neck.
नेक के
So
लौड़े लग गए।
tech neck.
NKLL,
So
NKL।
tech neck is because you're doing this. So your head weighs about like 5 kgs or something like that. Okay. So you are just constantly doing this, and your neck has to take that full weight and force of your head being constantly
जस्ट
just dangled down.
या ब्रो,
So
मेरे तो गए,
so
काम से गए।
it's caused a serious, like there's been a full uptick in neck problem, neck disorder, all of this stuff, and now they're saying कि body is adapting. So people are getting extra tissue around
Oh
that.
shit.
अरे बट नए पब्लिक को एक्स्ट्रा टिश्यू आ रहे हैं ना, नई वाली को, अपने को अपन पुराना मॉडल है, अपने में
आपका
डाल
पुराना
थोड़ी सकते
मॉडल
एक्स्ट्रा टिश्यू
yeah
ना, खत्म, अपन ऐसे के गिर जाएंगे एक दिन, ऐसे इट विल जस्ट बी हैंगिंग वंस आवर नेक कि
so there's a
नेक ने बोल दिया छोड़
visible
दे भाई.
there's a visible fatty or bony protrusion at the base of the neck as the body
Yes,
adds tissue here.
yes, yeah, it's right here. I can feel it. It's right here. Oh shit. अरे ये है. Ah. Guys, ये
But what would you
podcast आप
rather?
ऐसे
Like, would
ऐसे
you
लेके
like
देखिए.
phone use होना बंद नहीं होने वाला है. So would you rather people do this or people start doing this as correction?
नहीं ब्रो, अभी लेके आ जाओ सीधा हॉलोग्राम वाला कि मुझे अगर फोन दिए तो
मेरे
मैं
सामने
अच्छा, augmented
सामने,
reality. हाँ,
सीधा
so
सामने.
सामने साइड में चल रही है तेरे चश्मे में. हाँ, and you've got
नहीं,
you're
बट पूरा
looking.
टाइम फोन ऑन नहीं है, मैं ऐसे बोलूंगा ऑन, अभी आ गया स्क्रीन, सामने देख के हो रहा, कीप स्क्रॉलिंग अप, ओके
this is
स्टॉप आउट,
this is this is
एटलीस्ट नेक तो सीधी हो
the
जाएगी अपनी.
this is the
Oculus.
hope of Vision Pro ना कि
हाँ
तू
हाँ.
डाल इधर ऐसा और
अबे
फिर
एक मिनट, तू अभी मेरे को बोल रहा है तेरे पास 5 किलो का सर, उसके ऊपर 2 किलो का ऑक्यूलस, 7.5 किलो तेरा नेक क्यों ले रहा है? मैं सीधा बोल रहा हूँ रेटिना से अपने तू प्रोजेक्ट कर ले
retina से project.
सीधा सामने जिधर भी कि ऑन.
So
Next message.
Elon is trying to do this, right? Elon is trying to put chips into people's brains. I think partly so that then he can convince the whole world कि मेरे को बर्गाइन में एंट्री दे दे. But apart from that,
अब पब्लिक को वही टेंशन है, अंदर जाके रेव के बीच में ये जाके न्यूरल लिंक डाल रहे पब्लिक में, अभी आ गए, अभी तुमको आने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, इस दिमाग में बजाओ अपने. अबे इलॉन इसको कितना नहीं दे अंदर, निकालो इसको बाहर निकाल.
Elon बर्गाइन में सिम कार्ड बेच रहा है.
बेच रहा नहीं है, वो तेरे ड्रिंक में डाल के तेरे को पिला दे रहा है, स्पाइक कर रहा है, स्पाइकिंग. सब उधर आया नाचे आकर what is it? Actually, no, it's Neuralink. I control your mind now.
Now you can tweet standing here just
Now you
thinking
can
about
tweet
it.
while you're dancing. तू नाच और तू ट्वीट भी कर same time.
Oh shit.
Bro, this
So-
guy on a date in Bangalore said na he sued his the girl he was on a date with, saying that she spent all her time on Instagram.
Huh?
Okay.
ठीक है, हाँ. फिर उसका एक्टिविटी लॉ कि वो डेट पे भी रह के ये कर रही है. फिर पब्लिक ने उसका देखा, बोला बट यू आर ऑल्सो ऑन ट्विटर द होल टाइम, प्लीज डोंट वेस्ट टाइम ऑफ द कोर्ट. Bro, the amount of court cases that have come with people filing cases saying that, oh, I've sued Instagram. Why? Because they kept showing me videos.
Mm.
Wow, hilarious.
Public has done
So-
that. PUBG, मालूम है PUBG between 2020 and 2022, there were fucking cases inundated. Courts were with cases of wives coming and filing divorce कि भाई ये सिर्फ PUBG खेल रहा है. ये
Yeah.
इससे बात ही नहीं कर पा रही. मैं जब तक विनर विनर चिकन डिनर नहीं बोलूं, ये देखता नहीं हूं ऊपर. ठीक है. सब
फिर
विनर विनर
आके- फिर बोलता है अरे चिकन का है. अरे हम वेजिटेरियन है भाई, हम 25 साल से वेजिटेरियन है.
So there is a term for what you guys are also describing right now, right? कि जब public, how many times has this happened, or how many times have you done this? कि you're having a conversation with someone, and then slowly they just disappear into their phone
Yeah.
while you're talking at them, right? So this phenomena is called fubbing.
Hmm.
Okay?
Fubbing, yeah.
It's a combination of phone and snubbing. Okay,
Snubbing,
so
yeah.
public एक दूसरे को fub किया जा रहा है,
Full fub.
and yeah, so basically now they also have restaurants where it's a no phone policy, just have a conversation, keep your phone aside. ये सब like reactions have happened to all
Bro,
of this
gyms
stuff.
have had to ban phones because somebody while working out was on the phone and dropped a 50-kilo weight on his foot.
How
Good
are
point.
you managing a 50 kilo का weight and have the
While
balls?
being,
The balls
he couldn't
to have
manage
the
ना, इसलिए
phone
तो
in the
गिरा
other.
दिया. इसलिए तो गिरा दिया चूतिए ने.
Bro, can I tell you something? Like every time I see a fitness video, like so they do a lot of this, right? In the gym where fitness influencers will put a phone somewhere, then they'll record themselves doing the exercise,
Record.
right?
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
And I always feel like there's always one guy in their background who is struggling with a different exercise. And
Yeah.
I've never felt more like
Yeah.
seen than that guy.
Hmm.
That is me at the gym. So there is, by the way, one full category of people who have become addicted to screens, and they're the most unlikely people. the elderly. So,
Oh,
Bro,
my
how
mom,
do we
right?
not
next
talk
level.
about that? Oh,
Right?
bhai, parents,
Yeah.
parents. Dude, they become opposite of, अरे कितना टाइम वीडियो गेम खेलेगा तेरी आंख खराब हो जाएगी. You have to tell them the same thing right now.
Same thing.
They
Yeah.
are, my dad is on Twitter like 24/7. डिनर, ये लंच, ड्रिंक्स, चिलीज, बात भी करेंगे लेकिन एक ट्विटर पे चल पूरा टाइम वॉक से बातें.
My dad has got a chair. Okay, he's got one of those Barca lounger chairs in his room. तो वो टीवी के सामने. तो now he's got that chair and बाजू में एक टेबल लगाया हुआ है ऐसा. तो he is Netflix on that, which is my account, जिसका पासवर्ड हर दो हफ्ते में मेरे से वापस पूछा जाता है कि मैं लॉग आउट हो गया.
Hilarious.
तो देन मेरे को उसका लॉग इन देना पड़ता है हर बार.
That
देन
is so
Hilarious.
true.
and then
That
he's
is so
got
true,
he's got his
भाई.
phone in his hand and उससे हेडफोन्स कनेक्ट किया हुआ है एक कान में डाला हुआ है where he's talking to his friend who is somewhere in America or something. तो वो अभी रात को सो रहा है तो अभी उससे अरे क्या चल रहा है नेटफ्लिक्स चल रहा है simultaneously and he's scrolling on an iPad.
Ah! Quadruple thread है यार ये तो.
Hard,
Shit.
hard,
But
So
hard.
it's
I you know
wired.
what I feel?
Huh.
What I feel is I feel like, so because we were sort of more clued in when the internet was taking shape, or we just know a bit more, we're more exposed, so we have little more antibodies when it comes to
Yeah.
the getting, like, just, I mean, not that we are very amazing at it, but I feel like our parents generation have zero antibodies. So when they are hit with the stimulation, with the the rage bait, with all of this shit, they just get involved, like it hits them
Also
on a
think about this.
gut
You're
level.
right. They've never had this. Now they have everything at their fingertip and all the time in the world to be able to enjoy it.
Also true. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Because at that time when they were raising us, they didn't have any time. इन लोग ऑफिस भी जा रहे हैं, खाना भी बना रहे हैं, बच्चे को भी संभाल रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, तो टाइम ही नहीं था. अभी सब हो गया. अभी रिटायर्ड, सेमी रिटायर्ड, पैर ऊपर किए, क्या करूं, बात करूं,
Mhm.
बीवी से नहीं. They
खुद
talk,
के thoughts सुनो. Fuck
bro. They
off.
talk. They talk. They are sitting across each other, both talking to each other while replying on a group chat with other friends, other couples who are doing the same thing.
Yeah.
देयर वाज अ टाइम
Hilarious.
दे शोड ना, उन लोग फोटो भेज दे एक दूसरे का, तो चार कपल अलग अलग घर में एक दूसरे के बाजू में बैठ के ग्रुप चैट.
No, and
मीम्स.
you know that they are on their phone 24/7, because anyone posts anything at any given point in the day or night on group chat. Yes, they are just on it. It's like a bot. It just, like, the thumbs up just comes. Meaning,
Yeah.
like, if you could generate electricity from just
The
parents
thumbs
sending
up.
thumbs up, like, we would never have an energy crisis ever in the
Right.
world.
Right.
Second group of people who, by the way, have it's a riskier proposition of phone addiction, and this is the headline. Okay, screen addiction among Bengaluru's auto cab drivers raises
Oh,
alarm over
fuck.
road safety.
Dude, it is next level, yaar. I have not sat in a
Oh,
rickshaw where a Bhojpuri song is not playing for the longest time.
Bro,
और वो
once
देख
the
रहा है,
song playing,
वो
he's
YouTube वीडियो देख
watching.
रहा है. हाँ, वो YouTube
watching
He's
है
वीडियो
वो
got
देख
a
भी.
रहा है.
clamp. He's got a clamp on his thing. So
Yeah.
his, and by the way, AirPods भी है, whatever version of AirPods. तो
हाँ.
वायरलेस, तो उसको राइट लेने बोल रहा है, वो तो सुना ही नहीं है उसने.
No chance. No
वो
chance. No chance. And
चला रहा है.
and it's this also, no? So I've seen this happen where, again, the multi-sensory overload. Okay, so he's driving on a road which is jam packed. He's descending from a flyover. Okay, at speed. So there is that stimulation. Then he's
While
watching.
watching कब वही गाना हमार.
So while watching shots, so he's doing this plus this. Then on top of that, while this is happening, Uber has sent him a message saying, please accept this ride. So he's doing this and this at the same time.
And communicating with you through the rear view कि अरे साहब आपने भी यहाँ से कहाँ जाना है. अबे, तू डॉक्टर ऑक्टोपस है क्या, कहते तेरे इतने हाथ कैसे निकल रहे हैं.
Bro, it's wild.
And
It's wild.
managing to not crash, bro. That's
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
epic thing is कि तू crash नहीं हुआ है, touch wood. सब हो
Yeah.
रहा है.
because I feel like everybody's on their phone, so they're all driving equally badly.
Yeah.
So it just that means that they're
You
driving
know, if they
well.
were driving, if they were
They're all
looking, they would be
swerving
driving
together.
straight.
They're
They
all
all ऐसे
swerving
सब
together.
It's a ballet of distracted
if
people.
you just take a drone and you go up ना, अभी क्या अपन ये लेवल पे देख रहे हैं ना उसको, अगर तू vantage point चेंज कर, ऊपर से देख, देखो दिखेगा सब आंकड़े जा रहे हैं, बट बिकॉज सब आंकड़े जा रहे हैं, सीधा कोई जा रहा नहीं है, तो तू
बट
नो
सीधा ही
पॉइंट
जा रहे हैं
सीधे
ना,
वाले
क्योंकि
का
रोड
पॉइंट।
वाकड़ा है ना ठाकुर, रोड भी वाकड़ा बना है, तो दे ऑल गोइंग स्ट्रेट नेचुरली. दिस इज द ओनली वे यू कैन ड्राइव इन मुंबई सिटी.
हार्ड वर्क, मस्त.
Oh,
और कुछ
superb.
है?
हाँ,
Right.
एक
मेरे
मेरा
पास
एक मेरा सोल्यूशन है फॉर पेरेंट्स. क्या बोला? क्या बोला?
नहीं बोला, तो बोला हाँ. हाँ,
नहीं, मेरे पास
हाँ,
एक है.
एक
हाँ,
एक
बोल.
solution है. Where, okay, parents are trying all this. We started off with this bouncer, parents hiring bouncers. I feel parents shouldn't try to stop their kids from watching screens or playing video games. You make it professional level. See, I expressed a
You can't be
desire.
a professional meme watcher, meme
No, no, no.
sender.
No, but then you become, no, it's like, oh, you like Facebook? This is how Facebook is coded. Learn how to code Facebook. Now
Oh God.
you've made the exciting task a chore. So when I said I like music, they made me go through piano classes so many times that I started hating the piano. If your child likes
Oh,
video games, you enroll him into a video game boot camp where the guy has to fucking like become the best video game player possible. You make it a job so the child will not want to do it anymore.
Other, you know what the equivalent of this is?
Huh.
So there was a friend of mine, and he had, like, when we were in college, he had gotten caught smoking. So
Huh.
his father said कि तेरे को सिगरेट पीना है ना, आप पिलाता हूँ तेरे को. तो उसने उसको 10 सिगरेट बैक टू बैक पिलाया था.
आप एक
Okay.
काम कर, ले
So
विस्की भी
the
उसके साथ, चखने में क्या खाएगा, और एक बार ही बना दिया उधर. अभी एक नया रमेश बार जो है वो एक्चुअली
This is
started with a de-addiction idea and now they have a full blown bar with a liquor store right outside. पान वाला भी खोल के रखा है. अभी फैमिली पैसा कमा रही है एडिक्शन के फायदे.
so basically, because he had smoked, like it made him chain smoke. So the guy was like, "Fuck it, I never want to touch a cigarette again. Well, I'll never get that tar out of my mouth." So,
Wow.
but this extreme
I
extreme
wouldn't
parenting,
recommend this method
not a
because
fan.
that might
Yeah.
lead
Yeah.
to addicts and like, oh, what if your kid liked that 10 cigarettes? Then it's
Oh
like,
bro,
अरे
अभी
मेरा
वो
बाप best है.
अभी वो शाहरुख खान बन गया है. Just,
Wow, bro.
wow.
By the way, अपन इतना टेक का बात कर
Ah,
रहे हैं, तो I think the best way to end this would be the fact that I've done this entire episode, right? Which began with me trying to figure how to send Zoom link, and it has ended with me realizing that even though I connected my mic, I didn't connect the connector of the mic. So if there's an audio issue in this,
and
I'm
Thakur, just
very,
to tell
very
you
sorry.
how bad your voice sounds in general, we have not realized the difference. It sounds like Thakur.
So either the MacBook microphone is really good or my voice is shit. I don't know, but apologies if anybody has any sound issues. Yeah.
Wow.
Bap.
On this
Don't watch
absolute,
phones.
yeah, don't keep staring at your phones. But Mazedar episode, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Internet Said So. We'll be back again next week with more fun, bhankas, time pass, Mazedar episodes that are lined up. A lot of Bollywood content coming your way. And one more reminder to buy tickets for Tis Markasam. No, Postmortem. And
Wow.
format Postmortem. Buy tickets
Hilarious.
for Tis Postmortem. Link नीचे है, फट को फट खरीद
People
लो.
who've been commenting that we are not reading your stories. Yes, keep sending stories for Tismakasam. It's just that we have so many episodes that are still being edited. We've not shot new ones. So it's not that your stories aren't getting accepted or not getting read. They will be curated and we will get in touch with you if we like them for later Makasam recordings. So don't be pissed off at us.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't be pissed off with us in general, यार. हम तुम
Yeah.
लोग के लिए आते हैं, ठीक है? Bye, we are
Don't be
nice.
pissed off with anybody.
Don't be pissed
yeah,
off
with
with
Don't be
anybody.
pissed off.
Just be on your phone.
Do whatever you want, yeah.
Do whatever you want. Chalo, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next week. Until then, just goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salamesh.
बस।
ब्रो फक, देखो मालूम है, एक अभी एक शादी हुई जयपुर में, जिधर ब्राइड ग्रूम पूरा ये लिया, फोटो वोटो आए, फिर ब्राइड ने देखा कि हर फोटो में ग्रूम के हाथ में फोन है, तो ऑल द शॉट्स आर गेटिंग रूइंड में उसका फोन है, क्यों फोन पे शादी लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रहा है अपने गाँव में।
अरे दिस इज अ गुड थिंग यार, लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइव स्ट्रीम
ये
देयर
भाई
वेडिंग्स।
फोटो खराब है ना, हर फोटो में चुते तू नीचे फोन पकड़ के खड़ा है, ठीक है। अभी एक और सीन हुआ है, एक और जगह पे शादी हुई है जिधर पे उन्होंने बोला हे वील बी कूल, तो दिस इज अ फोन फ्री वेडिंग,
हाँ।
ठीक है।
ओह
एवरीबॉडी एंजॉय द मोमेंट, बी प्रेजेंट इन द मोमेंट, 40% गेस्ट लिस्ट आई नहीं।
perfect, this
Oh,
is the best
Fuck
way to
off,
not have unwanted people at your wedding. I draw
चार
the
लोग
line
आएंगे।
I draw the line at live streaming funerals because क्या हो गया है, I have attended a couple where you sitting, and the thing is they are setting the camera up, and at one point they to show everybody like oh this person, but क्या हो रहा है, at one point I was like वो फोन लेके ऐसे दिखा रहे हैं क्लोज अप पे कि yes this is आप वैसे कुछ
अबे यू
कंपोज
वांट टू
करने
सी
दो।
ना, मस्ट बी सम फैमिली मेंबर दूर से देख रहा, तो एक लास्ट झलक देखनी है ना।
Yeah, but it looked very odd to me. It looked like
इट इज।
agreed,
content. Yeah, it looked like
agreed,
content.
agreed, agreed.
फ्यूनरल का
Another,
लिंक नहीं भेजना है भाई, अभी तुम हो तो हो,
And
नहीं हो तो मन में याद करना।
मन में याद
uh,
करो, and because like the scariest thing would be कि you're taking the video and then Dadaji suddenly dabs. Oh shit. No.
Hope you
by
like this. Hope you like this version. See you again next live.
Like,
Until
shit,
then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salami.
dude, people are this. It's just
Fin.
चल,
showing off, na.
फेन फेन हो गया, खत्म, कितना बात करेगा, क्या एंड दबाओ ना।